Okay, this is going to be a quick one using OneDrive, okay, and why you should be using it, okay. Right, now if you go and log into your Office 365 account, okay, so just do Office 365 login, I'll do, and then you'll notice down here you've got the apps like Online Word and stuff like that. You've also got OneDrive. Now you get, it's quite a lot of space on there, so I don't think you're going to worry about running out there. So you can see I've got folders in here like CompSci, Visual Studio. So there's all my files. Now I've also got the OneDrive app, which is the thing down here. All right. Now, if you look in there, I now got a folder, Brockhouse College, and it's basically the same as what you can see online. All right. So if I add something in Visual Studio, if I just go and create a new text document, hello, then that will automatically sync in with the internet. So if I look on here now, what would do, I'm in the wrong folder probably. There it is there. All right. Likewise, if I now remove it from here, it will get deleted from my local folder. Okay, but it's gone into a bin, so I've got a recycle bin there. I can get it back. Also, all Word documents have versions as well, so it does versioning for you automatically. So what I'm saying is, really use this because it's backing up. It means you don't need to use a USB stick, and it's really easy to use on your own machine. Now, admittedly, at college, it's a bit more of a pain to use. That's hence why I don't tend to use the college desktop PCs that much for my own use. Now, so I've got all my files in there. So now, if I want to use the OneDrive app here, then what you need to do is get the OneDrive apps and then click download. I know you'll already have probably a OneDrive already installed. Now that's OneDrive Personal, which is different to OneDrive for business. This is OneDrive for Business, which is different. All right, so I do think you need to download it and then log in, and then away you go. Now, what I would say is it'll ask you to back up pictures, documents, stuff like that. I would say no to that. All right, and then you can just add the folders you want by dragging and dropping them on, and then away you go. Now, when you're at college, you're going to want to go, right, I need to access this program here. I did over a holiday or something like that, I don't know, over lockdown. And then you can't just drag and drop that off, all right? You can move it within itself, but if you try and drag that off onto the desktop, for instance, I'll try it. It's not going to work, all right? So in order to do that, just click in there, download. It will download a zip, which you'll have to unzip, which is a bit of a pain. But you can drag and drop from Windows onto here. That will work. So if you've got files at college you want to back up, then just drag and drop them, and that should work. You can do that with folders. So in summary, make sure you use OneDrive so you've got somewhere with all your stuff on, and it's got plenty of room. You're not going to run out. It's backed up automatically, and use the app. It's even easier to use. All right, but as I say, not quite as easy at college. Okay, so make sure you use it. That's all I'm going to say about that.